Wednesday, Ramazan al-Mubarak 26, 1369 AH, corresponding to July 12, 1950, is the blessed day when Allah created a saintly personality in a religious family and made him a provision and source of guidance for the mankind. That is, His Eminence Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat Abu Bilal Muhammad Ilyas Attar Qadri Razavi Ziyai Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, the founder of the global non-political movement of the propagation of Quran and Sunnah, who built the character of the characterless people with his great vision and perceptive discernment. Alhamdulillahi Azza wa Jal, on the jubilant occasion 26th of Ramadan al-Mubarak, the blessed birth anniversary of Amir Ahl Sunnah Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, Majlis-e-IT of Dawat Islami presents a dynamic website pertaining to Amir Ahl Sunnah Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, that is www.ilyasqadri.com, in which there will be a lot for the devotees of Rasul, like some bright sketches of his private life, some aspects of his spiritual life, and an introduction of his religious accomplishments, including his renowned literatures in various languages. Furthermore, there will be a media library in which you will find tilawat, holy recitation, kalam, Madani Muzakara collection, Sunnah-inspired bayanat, and other silsila such as Islami Zindagi, blessings of Sahaba and Ahl Bayt. Faizan Milad will continue inshaAllah Azza wa Jal. Memories of Ramazan, Hajj training program, blessings of sacrifice, Madani Halqa with Shaykh, blessings of knowledge, speaking booklet, and Amir Ahl Sunnat and Obi-Wan, story of Amir Ahl Sunnat, Madani pearls of Shaykh, Madani Guldasta collection on various topics with Urdu and English subtitles. There will be educational Madani Pearls speaking booklet too, in which you can also listen to the audio booklets of Amir Ahl Sunnat, comments of ulama and scholars of Ahl Sunnat, and Tazkirah Amir Ahl Sunnat. Moreover, you will find memory cards, software CDs, MP3 CDs, DVDs, VCDs presented by Maktabat al-Madina, and there will be Guldasta of Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatum al-Aliyah too, dubbed in various languages like Arabic, English, French, Bangla, Nepali, Spanish, Dutch, German, Norwegian, Tamil, Creole, Malay, Pashto. The introduction of application, Maulana Ilyas Qadri, and influence of Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatum al-Aliyah the society received. Remember, get benefits from the website www.ilyasqadri.com, launched on 26th of Ramazan, the birthday of Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatuhum al-Aliyah, and motivate your friends and family to visit this too.